Is it time to buy or sell Webull Class A Ordinary Share stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Webull Class A Ordinary Shares. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of June, 2025, our system has identified Webull Class A Ordinary Shares as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.74. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have realized a remarkable gain of 19.15% since we initially categorized Webull Class A Ordinary Shares as a buy candidate 4 days ago. This results in an average return of 4.79% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately negative 20.15% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 100% to 187.12%. Our latest daily update for Webull Class A Ordinary Shares includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Webull Corp Class A Ordinary Shares. The stock price for Webull Corp Class A Ordinary Shares rose by 1.72% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025. It increased from $14.01 to $14.25. This marks 4 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if a slight pause will occur in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 8.84%, with a low of $13.92 and a high of $15.15. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has climbed by 32.38% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price rise, indicating a positive technical signal, with 182,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 26 million shares exchanged hands, amounting to approximately $366.5 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $79.56, while the lowest was $9.54. Currently, the price stands at 82.09%, or $65.31, below the 52-week high of $79.56, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Webull has made significant strides in the market recently, with a notable $1 billion standby equity agreement announced on July 3rd, designed to fund key growth initiatives. This substantial capital injection could bolster Webull's ability to expand its offerings and enhance operational capabilities, potentially driving stock prices upward in both the short and long term as investor confidence grows. In addition, the re-entry into the cryptocurrency market with a launch in Brazil positions Webull to capture a burgeoning customer base in emerging markets. Coupled with innovative products like cryptocurrency hourly contracts, the platform is enhancing its attractiveness to retail investors, which could further drive profitability. Despite a strong performance reported for the first quarter of 2025, with revenues increasing by 32% year over year, concerns linger due to a negative shareholders' equity. Analysts maintain a cautious outlook, with some issuing sell ratings. However, the combination of growth initiatives and new product launches may mitigate risks and improve investor sentiment over time. Furthermore, partnerships with firms like Visa and the integration of BlackRock portfolios into their advisory services signal a commitment to expanding their service offerings. These developments could enhance operational efficiency and broaden Webull's client base, ultimately positioning the company for lengthy growth and potential stock price appreciation. Analysts have assigned Webull Class A Ordinary Shares stock a general sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Webull Class A ordinary shares. The Webull Corporation Class A ordinary shares stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $12.26 and $11.70. If the stock falls below either of these levels, it will generate sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 77.34%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 56 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 40 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Webull Class A ordinary shares. Webull Corp Class A ordinary shares finds support from accumulated volume at $14.01. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock can exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.23 between its high and low, representing an increase of 8.84%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 10.21%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Webull Class A ordinary shares, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 13th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Webull Class A ordinary shares. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Webull Class A ordinary shares is at $14.55. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Webull Class A ordinary shares encounters its first support level at $14.01. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Webull Class A ordinary shares from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 30th of December 2005, when Robinson J. Mack conducted an insider sell of 266,059 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent. Our recommended stop loss is set at $13.47, representing a decrease of 5.5%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 55 days ago. Is Webull Class A ordinary shares stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are encouraging. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity. as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 7th of July, we expect Webull Class A ordinary shares to open higher by 190 cents and start trading at $14.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.